Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your Dyson needs. We wanted to make a really quick video today. We get a lot of calls from people out in the Vienna, Virginia area asking about different repairs that we do. Do we do Dyson repairs? Are we a warranty center? Do we do service work? What type of vacuums? Are they cordless? You know, the answers to all those questions is yes. We are a service center for Dyson for all of you those in Vienna, Virginia. So we're a quick 10-minute drive right down Route 50 from Vienna. We have lots of easy and convenient parking here at our location, and we do everything Dyson. So if you're just needing filters, if you need attachments, if your hose ripped and you need a new hose for your vacuum, we have everything here, as well as we do all major repairs as far as like motors and battery replacements and servicing work and all that type of stuff. So if you have a Dyson upright, a lot of the common issues that we see in the Dysons are loss of suction or no suction. They're not turning on, the roller's not spinning, you're smelling a burning smell. All these repairs are very simple and easy, so there's no need to throw that Dyson out. You can simply bring it to us. We will give you a free estimate at there's no charge for our estimates or no obligation. So you bring it into us, we'll take a look at it. Usually it takes 1 to 2 days to get you an estimate, unless we are doing a same day repair, which we do offer same day repairs on all of our vacuum repairs. It just depends. If it's a larger repair, we might have to order a motor. It may take a day or two, but typically we can do everything same day. But you bring it in, there's no obligation. We'll get your repair ticket wrote up for it. Our technician will then take a look at it, get us the estimate. Once we get the estimate, we'll then call you and let you know, hey, this is what it's going to cost to get this thing fixed and get it running right. If you approve, then we'll get the work done, and we'll call you or text you as soon as it's ready for pickup. We do also deal with all the cordless vacuums, so anything from the Dyson V6 all the way to the Dyson V15. So if you're having any issues with those, we could certainly help you out with whatever. A lot of common issues we see in those for not charging, not turning on, is just batteries. But they also do need the filters replaced every year, so don't forget that no matter, because it says washable filter on both the cordless and the uprights and the canisters, make sure you replace those filters at least once a year. It's highly recommended to prolong the life of that vacuum. Now, along from the warranty side of repairs, it's the same thing. We just need you to bring in your proof of purchase. We'll then take a look at it, get a diagnosis on it, send it all off to the manufacturer, and we'll take care of most of the legwork for you. And then once everything's done and ready, we'll give you a call or text to pick it up. And then we also offer the servicing. So if you're nothing wrong with your Dyson, maybe it just has an odor, maybe it just looks really dirty, you want to bring it in and have us clean it, we offer cleanings and servicing on your Dysons. So if you have any questions and you're in the Vienna, Virginia area and you're looking for a repair shop for your Dyson vacuum cleaner, please come see us here at AceVacuums. Our phone number is 703-997-9292. You could also like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, follow us on YouTube, stay up to date with all the stuff that we got coming out with. But yeah, come see us if you guys need any repairs on your Dyson. Thanks, guys.